guys, welcome to Let's Learn and Entertain channel. Currently WhatsApp facing some issue. This issue happening from yesterday night to from yesterday day before yesterday night to today also. So what is the problem is if you share any YouTube link to your friends, if you kept the link in the message, it will show some preview. So it is not showing that preview. I'll show what is the issue now. So if you go to YouTube and if you want to share some video, so I am sharing this video on in WhatsApp. So you can see after sharing that video, the link is pasted, but the preview not came. Normally the preview will come with thumbnail or image of that particular video. So if you click that send, it will go along with detail and thumbnail. That is the issue now. We can't able to see any thumbnail or images. So I am copying again. So if you reduce the letters, it is showing some thumbnail, but it is not actual thumbnail, some dummy one of YouTube. So this is the issue. Normally it will come like this, the actual video. It is not coming now. That is a problem now. So again, if you send the link without the thumbnail, so that opposite person can't play the video in the WhatsApp. They have to open the YouTube and they have to play. Suppose you can able to see the above videos. If you play that in the WhatsApp itself, it will play the video.
Subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest film interviews, features,
so since we are sending the link, we can't able to send the thumbnail along with play button, so it can't able to play in the WhatsApp itself. So the problem is we can't able to send with thumbnail. So I didn't get any clue of this issue. So I'll surely post the what could be the solution for that in this channel. So please subscribe for the channel and thanks for watching.